Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create this kind of a transparent text effect in Photoshop. First, let's type the text we need. Type the text and scale it to a larger size as required. Place it at the center of the image. Make sure you choose a bold font so the design looks more accurate. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Then set the fill of the layer to 0. Choose stroke. Set the settings as required. Then choose inner glow and follow the settings. Next, choose drop shadow and do the required adjustments. And guys, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, join now using the link given in the description and pinned comment for more updates and resources. Click OK. You can change the text and you will still have the text effect. Now our effect has been done perfectly. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of making this transparent text effect. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.